Okay students, today in this video I am going to teach you a long question for 5 marks from vector topic. The question is in this way. Look at here. It is asked in question number 24 in SE examination in group D. Long question for 5 marks. Prove by vector method that the median to the base of an isosceles triangle is perpendicular to the base. I mean, in this very question, you have to prove median drawn from vertex of isosceles triangle is perpendicular to base. So, for this solution, first of all, you have to draw a triangle. Let here MNQ is an isosceles triangle in which MN is equal to MQ. MP is the perpendicular drawn to NQ so that NP is equal to PQ. NP and PQ are equal since median drawn from vertex of an isosceles triangle bisect to the base. That's why NP is equal to PQ. Here let MNQ let MNQ be an isosceles triangle. Let MNQ be an isosceles triangle in which MN is equal to MQ. MN is equal to MQ and MP is perpendicular to the base NQ. I mean MP is perpendicular to base NQ. Therefore, vector NPU is equal to 1 by 2 vector NQ. Here NP is equal to 1 by 2 of NQ, half of NQ. Why? The reason, let this equation 1. The reason is what? Median MP bisect to base NQ as MNQ is an isosceles. triangle. Here median, MP is the median. Median MP bisects base NQ as MNQ is an isosceles triangle. I mean, when in theorem we have studied the median drawn from vertex of isosceles triangle bisect to the base. So this is the reason. So NP is half of NQ. NP is equal to 1 by 2 NQ. Now in triangle MNQ. In big triangle I have taken MNQ. Here you have to prove MP is perpendicular to NQ. That's why first vector NQ find, then vector MP. So vector NQ is equal to, in triangle MNQ take, then vector NQ. Vector NQ is equal to NM plus MQ. Vector NM plus vector MQ. Why? This is triangular law of vector addition. Reason is what? Triangular law of vector addition. Triangular law of vector addition. Triangular law of vector addition. I mean vector NQ is equal to NM plus MQ equal to vector NM. We can write in place of vector NM minus vector MN plus vector this MQ as usual. MQ is equal to vector MQ. I have arranged vector MQ, this minus vector MN. It means NQ, vector NQ is equal to MQ minus MN. We have calculated. Now we have to find the vector MP. In order to find the vector MP, we take the triangle in triangle MNP. In triangle MNP, a small triangle. Now vector MP. Vector MP is equal to MP is equal to MN plus NP. Vector MN plus vector NP equal to vector MN plus NP. Look at here, vector NP is equal to 1 by 2 NQ. We have calculated. So in place of vector NP, we can put 1 by 2 vector NQ. MN plus 1 by 2 NQ. Now vector MN plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 NQ. In place of NQ, look at here. Vector NQ is equal to MQ minus MN. Then here 1 by 2 in place of NQ, we write vector MQ minus vector MN equal to MN plus 1 by 2 multiply to MQ and vector MN, then 1 by 2 vector MQ minus 1 by 2 vector MN equal to, look at here, 1 by 2 MQ, 1 by 2 vector MQ. Now here MN and MN vector are the like terms, no? That's why we have to subtract. 1 by 2 mn subtracted from vector mn. I mean half subtracted to vector mn. That's why here plus mn minus 1 by 2 mn result is 1 by 2 vector mn. I mean from vector mn half vector mn subtracted, then remaining will be half vector mn, means 1 by 2 vector mn is equal to 1 by 2 we can take common, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. That's why 1 by 2 common taken. Then this is the vector mq plus vector mn. So mp is equal to 1 by 2 mq plus mn. Now here you have to prove mp is perpendicular to nq. In order to prove mp is perpendicular to nq, I mean mp dot nq. mp dot nq is equal to 0 we have to prove. That's why here mp vector mp dot vector nq equal to, here mp vector mp we have calculated 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into vector mq plus vector mn. Here mp dot nq means mp, value of mp. Value of mp is 1 by 2 mq plus mn into, now nq. Value of nq, look at here, nq is equal to, we have calculated mq minus mn. Then here into vector mq minus vector mn. Now look at here, 1 by 2 mq, vector mq plus mn, vector mq minus mn. A plus b, a minus b means a square minus b square. That's why here we can write vector mq square. Vector mq of whole square means mq square we can write. Vector can be cancelled, means vector mq of whole square means mq square minus mn. Vector mn of whole square will be mn square. mn square is equal to 1 by 2 vector mq square minus vector mq square. Look at here, in place of mn, we can write mq square, because mn is equal to mq. Here nq is an isosceles triangle. Here mn is equal to mq. mn and mq are equal. That's why in place of mn square, in mn square we can write mq square, because mn is equal to mq. Since here the reason you can write mn is equal to mq given, no, because it is an isosceles triangle, equal to 1 by 2 into mq square minus mq square is equal to 0. This cancel. That's why equal to 0. 1 by 2 into 0 is equal to 0. So mp dot nq is equal to 0 proved. Since therefore you write now, therefore mp is perpendicular to mp, vector mp is perpendicular to vector nq proved. I mean when mp dot nq is equal to 0, then it is proved that mp is perpendicular to nq. And here in this question you have to prove mp, median, is perpendicular to base, and mp is the median, nq is the base. That's why mp perpendicular to nq you have to prove. And here mp dot nq is equal to 0. So that mp and nq are perpendicular, or mp is perpendicular to nq. Thank you.